This is Rowan. He is a 3-banded armadillo. You can see from his 1, 2, 3s. So he is related to the anteater, which you can also see his cute little nose in there. But while we got him close, he also is related to the sloth. So you can see right in there. So he'll eat termites. He'll be able to dig really, really deep and get ants and all kinds of different things. So it's pretty functional, honestly. And then let me see. We'll see if he can close. Oh, he doesn't want to close up. Can I have him back? Can I have my hand back? He says no. But when he closes up, he's got his little helmet right there that'll, yeah, now he wants to close up just like that. And he's good to go.